Dear sir, this is your ordered QLQ model automatic long transistor winding machine. Now this is the front side of the machine. This is the side view. And this is another side of the machine. Now this is the nameplate of our machine. So if you have any question about the machine, you can send us this nameplate information, and then we will do the needful for you accordingly. And this is the control plate of the machine. The power light button, the start button, and abnormal indication button. For this abnormal indication button, it means that if the machine stops with some emergency occurs, it will shine. And this is the power switch, and the stop button, the return to zero button. And from here you can see this shows the total length that have counted, and this shows this value is the stated value which you need to roll, that you need to wind. And this is the electricity box. The electricity box. And this is the motor. Later a technician will show you how to operate the machine correctly. Okay. Now we will operate the machine.